Nationwide pays benefits in cash. Once the claim's triggered, they just send you the money.
They also have the largest minimum death benefit in the market. It's
Yeah.
20%. Nationwide tends to come in second or third place in terms of ranking by premium cost.
Hey guys, I'm Derek Wilkins. I'm with my cousin Drew and business partner.
Hey Derek, how's it going?
Hey, today we're going to talk about Nationwide CareMatters 2 hybrid long-term care insurance policy.
So the reason why we decided to make this video is about a year ago, maybe two, we did a video on YouTube on CareMatters that has been fairly popular. We talk to people all the time because there's a lot of people out there looking for information on this CareMatters 2 and the CareMatters Together
Yeah.
policies. We're fortunate to be independent agents who work with all the companies. And so we want to kind of talk about Nationwide. It's a great policy.
Yep.
In the scheme of all the competition in the market here as we approach summer 2025.
Yeah, so Nationwide CareMatters 2, that was rolled out maybe 2018, 2019. It preceded the CareMatters product, and it's been a really popular product for a couple main reasons. One, cash is king.
Yep.
Nationwide pays benefits in cash. Once the claim's triggered, they just send you the money. You can spend it however you want without the friction of having to figure out, receipts and submit hours. They just pay you the money. You can spend it however you want. If you want to pay your spouse, can they pay their spouse, Drew?
Yep, if it's part of the plan of care,
Yeah.
absolutely. So some companies out there on the market, not Nationwide, do reimbursement. Because this isn't a reimbursement plan, we won't go into too much detail. It's just a much easier claims process with Nationwide's cash indemnity. So check number one, Nationwide's cash indemnity.
Yeah. Another big benefit of the Nationwide product is they have a 90-day deductible. Pretty much all long-term care policy, they come with a 90-day elimination period or deductible, essentially what it is. Nationwide has it, but on day 91, they'll refund you the deductible. So I'll give you an example. Say your monthly benefit is paying $10,000 a month and you file a claim, you're on claim for 3 months, they'll pay you 10,000 times 3, which is 30K. They'll cut you a check for $30,000 on day 91, refunding you that deductible. So they have one technically, but they'll refund it to you on day 91.
Right. So let's talk about how Nationwide competes with some of the other companies. They have arguably the best policy on the market, and they're arguably one of the more expensive options, but not by that much when you think about the fact that when you come to make a claim, you might have $30,000 extra dollars of benefits. They also have the largest minimum death benefit in the market. It's 20%. So what that means, if you have a $100,000 death benefit and you make a $500,000 long-term care claim, technically you've drawn that life insurance down to zero. But Nationwide gives you a 20% kicker no matter what. So if you make a large long-term care claim between that 3 months of deductible payback and that 20% minimum death benefit, it could be a benefit of $50,000 or more down the road if you have a Nationwide plan. But what's the downside of Nationwide? Cost.
Cost. It is more expensive, but going back to that, the minimum death benefit, it sounds not a huge deal, but like imagine like your relative, your loved one's just gone through a long-term care stay. They pass away. It's going to be a tough time. And having that 20, 30,000 bucks in the residual death benefit to pay for the funeral, to pay for all the expenses that might still exist after they pass away. It's a nice thing just to take some stress off the family in that really tough time.
It's just good planning ahead. So we work with all the companies, and before we made this video, we did some research. And in most cases, first of all, these companies are fairly tightly clustered together. Like our job can be tough sometimes because it's like they're all very close together. Nationwide tends to come in second or third place in terms of ranking by premium cost. But when you consider how much better it is than some of the competition, it's worth taking a really strong look at.
Yeah, exactly. And that's the beauty of us. I mean, we're founded on objectivity. We're independent agents. We work for you, not the insurance company. So we'll simply show you all the companies out there that are on the market selling at the time of purchase and let you judge for yourself which one you feel like is best for your situation.
Right. Now, if you're a married couple, stick around because we're going to talk about Nationwide CareMatters Together, which is a sister product, I would say, to CareMatters 2. It's designed for couples. Probably the number one thing couples are curious about is there a joint plan that can give us some advantage? How do we answer that question?
Well, that's going to be the next video. We'll do one specifically
on
the CareMatters.
on that one.
Because that's an important product
All right.
and topics.
Stay tuned
So,
for the Care Matters Together video.
all right. If you want to learn more on the Nationwide in general, visit our website, ltctree.com. Call us. We'll pick up the phone. You'll probably talk to Drew or I.
Yep.
Thanks, guys.
Bye bye.